Hey guys, welcome back into Code with DC. Today my aim is to tell you the exact thing what an AI is and clear all the misconceptions that are flowing around the world. So I want to clear that misconception and make you happy because everyone says AI will take your job, AI will take your job, but this is like a critical talk in the world right now. So that's why we have to give some time to understand that particular thing. Okay, and after this video you will be having pretty much good confidence, and because you will be having a good understanding from this video after watching this complete video, and you will be like considering AI as a friend. Okay, AI as a tool, AI as a machine. So that I'm going to clear you out in this particular video. So let's get started. So here, so first and the most thing is AI. Okay, what an AI is, everyone knows. AI means artificial intelligence. What does this means? Okay, artificial intelligence, what does this means? This means this has been made by some people around the world. Okay, this has been introduced by some group of people. They had worked, they had used some data, they had trained it so well that he can think like a human, he can perform like a human. Okay, and he normally needs to for processing purposes he normally needs NPU. He also can work on CPU, but the designed processor is called as NPU, natural processing unit. Okay, because normally the AI which are available right now in the world, he's according to the prompt, he's according to the text. So that's why natural language processing is needed by NLP. Okay, like artificial intelligence. So there's one thing, okay, that I'm not going to that much deep, as most of the peoples only want to just understand why AI is like take your job, or like the misconception. I want to clear that particular thing. And if you want like what is an AI, you can comment in the particular section. I will definitely create some video to make you understand well. Okay, so first and the foremost thing is whenever you see AI like ChatGPT or Grok or Cloudy, these are the most and most efficient AI right now. Okay, these are called Gen AI. It's a part of AI only, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a very vast syllabus. Okay, it has most of the thing, like AI contains machine learning and lot of things. Okay, like data scientist, these are the fields of artificial intelligence. Okay, we will not go into that much of deep, just consider as AI only. So how AI works? Whenever you listen about AI or something, he actually takes input. And what are the input can be your text, it can be text, it can be image, it can be video. Currently, like video is like most of the platform were not able to give you the video as an input, like because there are lots of processing will be required, lots of power will be required to process videos. Okay, they may be giving you to like upload at least 5 seconds of video. So likewise to in future, maybe like quantum computing can help you to analyze things faster, so that at that time video related input will be available, currently available, but not that much efficient. You will be like your mind will be like what's time taking is this is taking too much time. So that's why it's quite frustrating. So we will be we will be having talk on this only. Okay, text and images. And other thing, like if you give an input, okay, what does AI do? AI uses is AI is trained on data. AI is already trained on some data. So how it will answer on this? Okay, as we know, like ChatGPT, he is trained on trillions of data. Okay, lots of data, like data from Google. Like Google have lots of blogs, lots of thing on their search engine. Like normally it covers almost 70 to 75% of the queries from the world. Okay, before ChatGPT. So previously, like almost 10 to 12 years, ChatGPT has been trained on that data, and that available data, that public data. Okay, so he has been trained so much well, so he can give you the answer of any kind of test. Okay, normally like 92% answers has been given, but what are the 10%? So 10% are something that were not trained to ChatGPT. Okay, like normally in the world, if we see, lots of data are trained, lots of people are writing from right hand. Okay, not from left hand. So whenever we ask ChatGPT to draw an image of a person writing from left hand, he will draw from right hand. Okay, he will don't care about, like, as he trained on right hand data, he will not be able to produce that particular image. Okay, so it says that we are still lagging behind the power of artificial intelligence. So we are still need to do some great inventions so that our artificial intelligence get more efficient. Okay, so here is the, like, we give input, it processes text or query according to the trained data or whatever the trained algorithm given to it, and he processes it and produces an positive output. Okay, positive output. He doesn't like most of the artificial intelligence are not enabled in conscious mode. That's why he will not be able to give you the negative answer sometimes. Like maybe it is possible that he will be giving you some negative answers. Okay, like in news, there are lots of experiment has been done, and there are many loopholes can be there. Okay, so it will give you positive output according to that. And the main point is, we have only this much of relation. We have AI, we give input, and we take output. Okay, and there is no relation. Okay, like AI will take your job. No, I will say no. As we have only this much of relation, he is not coming to your picture and he's not telling you that you go, I will work all this, or I will handle all the work. Okay, so you have to consider this much part only. Okay, for example, if you are going to ChatGPT, okay, what ChatGPT does? ChatGPT takes messages called as prompt. So it will take as prompt. Okay, message is called as prompt. It will work on prompt. Okay, whenever you go to ChatGPT for some queries, it will take your message and produce output according to it. Okay, so what does he do? He normally based on prompt, What prompt means? Prompt simply means your query. Why are you on ChatGPT? Why you came on ChatGPT? Okay, there it can be like it can be asking some questions, it can be asking for solving some problems, it can be anything. Okay, anything that can be like taken into conversation. Okay, like his friend, anything. He has been trained on lots of data. Okay, but still he is lacking on some of the uh, database query thing, as it requires lots of computational power. So that's why if we come to so that's why it's still like if you give more computation power concepts like solving some questions, it will definitely lag behind. Okay, so that's why I'm saying we have to we give input and he will generate output. Example, if you like take as example, you have just posted an image, like uploaded an image to chat gpt. Okay, what he will do, he will check this image and he will tell you the detailing of image, as you haven't not as you haven't mentioned that uh, that do this particular thing with my image. He will just give you the details present in image. Okay, details present in image. So point is, we have to tell him that what you have to do with this particular image. So he will then work accordingly. So my point is, AI is used to enhance you. AI is used to enhance your daily life. It can be anything, it can be work, it can be your conversation, it can be any problem you are facing, it can be anything that can be solved using words. Okay, so I'm just want to conclude that AI is to enhance you, not replace you. Okay, if you act like a replacement of AI, then only you will be going to face that particular problem. So you have to literally understand this thing and act like it. So I would like to tell you that I'm gonna create a playlist of AI in such a way that it will help you to boost your efficiency, boost your daily life usage, and it will make you a better man, better person. So you will be able to thrive in any kind of field. If you think you want to become software developer but you are not tech person, I will be going to help you out. Okay, how things work, how you can actually go to a new technology. Like if you are already working on some like munch tech, for example, if I taught you about one particular thing like development of web applications using munch tech. Okay, but I will be making you such a powerful person who can switch to any kind of technology, like mun, from mun to mean, from mean to any other language like blockchain development. Okay, so I will be making you that much powerful. Okay, so that's why you have to subscribe my channel and get rid of this particular statement. Okay, you have to delete this from your life. You have to take action, delete it. Okay, I'm writing it for 3 times: delete it and delete it. Okay, you guys have to delete it. this particular statement. Delete it and delete it. What it will, this particular statement. So make sure you have understood what I wanted to tell you. So yeah, so that's it for this video. We'll be continuing in next video. So thank you.